If I told you that there was a treatment available that could resolve chronic health issues and drastically improve your overall quality of life without drugs, surgeries, or ongoing therapy, would you believe me? Well, let me introduce you to NUCCA. Let's start with the basics. NUCCA is a style of upper cervical chiropractic, a special kind of chiropractic care that focuses on the top of your neck. But what makes this area so important? The top two bones of your neck, called the atlas and the axis, support the head and protect the brainstem. The brainstem is like a busy highway, connecting your brain to the rest of your body. And it is the center that regulates the breathing and the blood flow. If these bones are out of place, it can interfere with this connection and cause a wide variety of health problems. This is where NUCCA comes in. NUCCA, or the National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association, uses gentle and precise adjustments to correct the alignment of your upper neck. No twisting, popping, or cracking is involved, just a gentle touch. NUCCA chiropractors take precise x-rays of your head and neck to find exactly what your particular misalignment looks like. Each misalignment is like a unique fingerprint. No two are quite the same. The doctor then uses gentle adjustments tailored to your specific case to fix it. This helps your nervous system work better, moving you from survival mode to healing mode. NUCCA can help with many issues like chronic pain, headaches, vertigo, and sciatica. It can also improve your posture and overall health. Decades of research show that NUCCA is great at eliminating problems caused by misalignment in your upper neck. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some stories from people whose lives have been changed by NUCCA.
I do a lot of CrossFit, so I'm doing a lot of strength and conditioning. Basically, my goals were to optimize my health and performance. And I had in the past gone to a generic chiropractor that just yanks your neck and cracks and pops everything, and that hadn't really made any positive improvements. And when I learned about NUCCA, where the focus is only the top vertebrae in my spine, and it's a very gentle adjustment based on my specific misalignment, that really intrigued me, and we went ahead and did it, and I got great results. I would definitely say it's well worth the free consultation to see if your legs and hips are out of alignment and you might not even realize it. It really is amazing how one tiny misalignment in a vertebrae in the top of your neck can affect so many things down the rest of your body that you might not even realize. That was certainly the case with me. I improved symptoms that I didn't even know that I had that were not normal.
Everything restored in those first 6 months of treatment. The anxiety went away, the fight or flight, the eyes not working together, the vertigo, everything just slowly started to fix itself in a way that was not obvious. Just all of a sudden you realized, hey, I worked 6 hours today, and last week I wasn't able to do that. So now I am like a NUCCA prophet. I tell everybody about it, friends, family, neighbors, my mechanic, the checkout guy at Trader Joe's. I will tell anybody that listens, because on top of fixing my total body shutdown, we're fixing other things that I may not have even known were going wrong in my body, because having the atlas in place helps your body operate optimally. I don't take any prescriptions. I'm not on any medications. I have a very holistic personality. So atlas treatment was totally in line with my lifestyle. There is no medication. It's a slow, let your body do the work. It was just a perfect fit for me, and I encourage everybody to go and get your atlas checked.
I was born with scoliosis, but it was never anything addressed to it. My mom would hem my skirts, and the left side here is the one that always was up. And she kept trying to pull it down, telling me to straighten out, and I couldn't. You know, and finally I'd end up standing weird so I can make her seem straight. Well, I put on a skirt the other day, and guess what? It's straight. And to me, that is a miracle. This NUCCA is not a new procedure, but this is the first time I've heard about it. And after the first visit, I did not notice any change. But after 4 weeks, 1 month into this, is when I started feeling extremely well. I never dreamed that I can actually stand up and hold my head up. It's something that I have dealt with all my life. I feel so good. I don't have muscle spasms. I'm not off. It's just amazing. And it's a simple procedure that is done right here on the neck. It brings tears to my eyes of happiness because I never thought anything like this, never heard of this. You gotta at least go in to have it looked at and talk to the NUCCA doctor and find out what's going on because I can't believe it myself.
Whether you are young or old, making sure your brain and body are properly communicating with each other is extremely important. NUCCA can help everyone. Are you ready to transform your health? Schedule a consultation with a qualified NUCCA chiropractor near you by visiting www.nucca.org/directory. If you have any questions about NUCCA, drop them in the comments below. We are here to help. Thank you so much for watching.